Welcome, today I'm friend of Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and now just here if you wanna add some icons or to remove some of them or just to change their position, you should click here on this edit icon. Now here we have this down section with the invisible icons, and if you wanna add some of them, for example, let's add the screen lock icon. Just hold this icon and drag it here by this way. Also, let's just add, for example, the storage icon here. So just hold it and drag it to this up section. If you want to remove some icons from here by the same way, just hold the icon and drag it here to the down section. So let's just remove also the GT mode here. And if you want to change some of these just positions of these icons, hold the icon and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple to do. And just to save the changes, just tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.